So as well as for collaboration and also some internal communications, Teams can be used as a telephony platform. There's a number of ways that you can bring telephony into Teams, whether you use a Microsoft calling plan, or whether you bring your own PSTN service in from an existing provider, or you can partner with organizations such as Cloud Direct, and we have our own sort of telephony calling plans that we can integrate into Teams as well. You're able to have a true cloud solution for telephony with no reliance on any connectivity into your office, and have those DDIs and numbers accessible for users no matter where they are via the Teams client. So for example, if someone rings my DDI, I'm signed into the desktop client on my laptop here, my Cloud Direct laptop. I've also got my personal mobile phone that's signed into Teams. If you ring my DDI, both those devices will ring, and I can choose which one to answer on, whether I'm on Wi-Fi, 5G, 4G, or stuck at home wired in somewhere as well. The mobile client, the desktop client, they all offer the same experience, the same features, and also you've got the web version as well, which can do the same piece as well. Again, mentioning hybrid working, having a telephony platform that follows a user around wherever they are, so they haven't got to be tied to a desk with a plastic desk phone to answer a call, is going to be really, really valuable with the way things are moving in regards to hybrid working and working from home more regularly. So just to give a quick overview of what you get in regards to Teams from a telephony point of view. Some of you may probably be familiar with this if you're already using it, but also the Teams calling tab is available just for internal Teams to Teams calls. The main thing that you get when you enable telephony is you get a number pad and your DDI appearing, so you can then make and receive calls, but you have the ability to save speed dials, be able to transfer to these speed dials, group things as you see fit, click the dial by looking at people's presences, etc. Your contacts are pulled through from Outlook. Your history is all the calls you've made, both normal Teams to Teams audio and video calls, as well as your normal telephony calls, and voicemail does what it says on the tin. In the settings tabs up here, you're able to control what happens when people ring you, so you can set all your calls to be forwarded to a specific user. You can create a group of people that if you don't answer your call, you can then send it to members in your team. So if I wanted to send it to some of the consultants in my team, I could set up a group and say, right, ring user 1, user 2, and user 3 after 15 seconds if I don't answer my call, so someone will pick them up. As the end user, you're empowered to control how you deal with your own calls.